Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching without error guys. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Even I facing this problem now. By this solution I resolved it guys, and now I can play Roblox. So this problem cause of your graphics card driver are not up to date guys. To update your graphics card driver I show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the start icon. Select the device manager, expand the display adapter section, note your driver's name guys. After noting it, you just need to open up browser. If you are using NVIDIA or AMD or Intel graphics card driver, then you need to search for the driver name with it guys. Just need to search for it. Mine is NVIDIA. Just need to search for the driver name listed over here. After typing your driver name over here, now you just need to mention your Windows guys. Windows version. I am using Windows 11, 64-bit download. Click on it. You will be getting the official website download link guys. Click on the official site. Click on the download now and download it guys. Before downloading it, check your operating system is supported Windows 11 64-bit. You can download it guys. After downloading it, it will be looks like this. I already done this before. Click on downloads. I already download this. Double click on it and install it guys. After installing it, it will be looks like this guys. GeForce experience the same way AMD or Intel graphics card drivers, that will be look like this application. Open up the application and log into your account. After login your account, click on drivers tab and click on check for updates. If any available updates over here, you just need to download it guys. I already download this one, GeForce Game Ready driver. You just need to same way, you just need to download this guys. After downloading it, you just need to uninstall Roblox guys. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on uninstall a program. You just need to uninstall Roblox player guys. Right click on it and select uninstall it guys. After uninstalling it, restart your PC. After restarting your PC, install it guys. After installing it, open the Roblox player. That will be work guys. This solution worked for me guys. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.